Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again Gerald, and this is going to be a continuation of the previous video, all about creating a bill in Xero. This time we are going to be making a payment of that bill that we created. The previous video is going to be on here, or you can also find it on the description section. So if you haven't watched it yet, please do so for you to be able to follow along. All right. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. Go ahead and log into your Xero account. And once you're logged in, that should take you to the dashboard screen. Now, on the previous videos, what I normally do to get to the screen I want the fastest is I click on this plus icon. But since we are going to be going to a bill that we've created, it's going to be through a different route. But I'm going to show you as to what the difference is. So when you click on plus, you'll see bill as the second choice from the top. But if you want to go to your bills, you'll have to look for purchases. When you click that, go ahead and click on bills. As you've noticed, the one on the plus sign is showing bill without an S because that's how you create a bill. And then under purchases, it would show bills because this is gonna show you all the bills that were created. So go ahead and select that. All right. So they should take you to all of the bills that were created, um, regardless of the status. By default, it's going to show all, but it's actually segregated into draft bills, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, bills that have been paid, and repeating or recurring bills. Now, the bill that we've created in the previous video should be under all or should be under awaiting payment because it's awaiting payment. So as what you've noticed, it's actually showing at the top, the first one on the list. East Side Club, reference is 0001, that's the invoice number. And then due date is April 17th for the amount of $54.13. Let's go ahead and check if it's showing under awaiting payment as well. And it is. Same set of information, same amount. So let's go ahead and select this. All right, so when you do, it should take you to the bill, that particular bills page with the information that were created or that were added to the bill that was created. So go ahead and review the information, especially the from or the vendor portion of it. So in this example, we've used East Side Club as the vendor, and then when the bill was created, March 18th, and when it's due, that was the 17th of April because it's net 30, and then the reference, which is the invoice number. All right. So go ahead and check the total. Make sure it's showing, or make sure it's the right one. And if you want to go ahead and review the details as well, the item or item code, the description, the quantity, the unit price, the account for the chart of accounts it's going to go to, taxes, as well as the gross total or the net total. So in this bill, it's going to be showing $54.13 as a total, inclusive of taxes. Once you've already made a payment for this bill, you'll need to get the details of that payment. Um, when the payment was sent, that should be under date paid. So let's say today, the 19th. Next would be which account was used to make that payment. That should be under paid from. So when you click on the drop down, it should prompt you with the accounts. So let's say we use the business bank account to make that payment. And if there's a reference number or reference of this payment, you'll have to put it on the reference box as well. And then if it's paid, for example, it's paid via check, you'll be needing to click this option, pay by check. So let's just say it was paid via check. So let's select that, and then let's click on add payment. Okay, so a pop-up box would show up. Just go ahead and review the details. It's going to ask for the check number. So whatever the check number was, you'll have to put it on here. Then the pay to section would be the vendor. In our case, it's Eastside Club. And then the date, when the payment was made, and if you want to add any memos or notes, there's that section right there, and then the total. Next, go ahead and hit on save if it's all good. All right. So once it's all done, that bill should now be showing under paid section. So there it is, showing at the topmost section, number one on the list, Eastside Club with reference 0001 for the amount $54.13. Now, what it does in the background is that it on the journal entry, it credits the cash of $54.13 and debits the accounts payable for the same amount, $54.13. All right, and that's how you make a payment for a bill in Xero. And I hope you find this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave down a comment below, and stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.